Day 2 of my vacation. Start of vacation. I just ordered some Wing Street fry. Since KFC stopped making these honey barbecue wings. It always reminds me of when I used to live by myself in my apartment. This was my diet. Honey barbecue wings. We're about to Rain cracked his tank on his vape, so we're gonna go and buy a new tank.
I guess hard floor versus tank, and hard floor always wins. So gotta keep that in mind, fellas. Put rubber. I mean, not for birth control or anything. Is it left, Jess?
Yeah. It's on, where Jason's Deli is on Highway 6?
Yeah.
529.
Well, you might like this place better. They're my boys too, so.
Okay. Oh, shit, I didn't bring my wallet. That's what I was. Shit. That's awesome. Man.
Yeah, dude.
Man, I can feel it.
Yeah.
Right here. Good thing I got that recorded.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
I was like, ah, ah.
Yeah. I love this car, man. You see the pool? That was that's my turbo, my PSI.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. It usually, they're like in the negative right now, but when I gas it, you can still feel the G when I put you feel like
yeah. Damn, man.
Yeah. It's a
That's
fast
awesome.
car. Yeah, dude.
My cousin and his family, they're all coming. My uncle and aunt, they're coming. They'll be with my parents for a while. My uncle and my aunt, they're probably gonna go back home though. They're just here so that the kids can have like a step in, a foot in America. Yeah, so they'll be staying with my parents until one of them is a nurse.
Oh, nice.
One of my cousins.
Oh, nice.
And one, I don't know.
So did you pass your NCLEX already and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's even better.
So.
I remember, we were lucky. Just our parents came here when we were still young. Like we kind of sort of just auto everything. Oh.
Yeah. I don't know if you can get rid of the accent like we did.
Oh yeah, no, that's no. It's gonna be hard, but I'm sure it's there,
And there's the thing, it's like a red flag, when you have an accent.
Yeah.
Especially when you're Filipino.
Yeah.
That's why I worked hard on getting rid of it.
Yeah, me too. But dude, when I'm tired of it, comes out, and I'm like, fuck. What a load of shit,
I'll be like, yeah, certain words I can't say when I'm tired.
Yeah.
Because you revert back to like being a kid or something.
Yeah, you do. I think it's a twist off. Nope. I take it back. No, it's not. Making that review beer. Dude, it's really good. Got a nice aftertaste.
What is it? Like peach?
Yeah, I think it's peach. It's by Unibrew, and you can't get any metal than that. Nah.
I had no idea what it cost. My life passed before my eyes. I found out a little I accomplished. all my plans tonight. Body's gone, pants on to Lamar.
What happened?
Oh, that's what making this beer does to you. My back. Woo. That's what making this beer does to you. It lets you do this, dude. Oh god. Woo. Oh jeez, that was crazy. Making this beer, that's what it does to you.
I need.
I think I swang too much or
That
something.
gets me a seat at the table, and then you get to change the rules.
Yeah, I
What
think,
is that?
yeah.
Nonsense.
I was gonna gain. I thought I was gonna gain back. I was like, oh. Seeing who you could pass the torch. The torch, yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they were like taking points, and then they were like.
Oh
trying,
my god, don't
Yeah.
scare the shit out of me.
Yeah, and then they. Fuck! I said, fuck you, and then I could see the shadows holding me,
Dude, stop! You're freaking me out! Don't do that!
and then.
I don't do good with crap like that.
Yeah, this was when my grandpa medicine can heal, like antibiotics and stuff like that. They would see my grandpa, and my grandpa would like have this water, and he would